ready to pump up your Binance account with some funds. Let's get you loaded in 90 seconds. First things first, fire up your Binance app and make sure you're logged in. Now, tap on the deposit button. It might be smack dab on the home screen, or you might find it nestled in the wallet section. Time to pick your poison ... or crypto, rather. You'll see a list of coins. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For this example, we'll choose Bitcoin. Boom, Binance generates a unique Bitcoin deposit address just for you. You'll also see a QR code. Important, triple check that you're sending the correct crypto to this address. Sending the wrong crypto could mean losing your funds forever. Copy that address. You can tap the copy icon next to the address. Now head over to the wallet or exchange where your Bitcoin currently lives. Open the send or withdraw function and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to deposit. Double check everything, then confirm the transaction. Back on Binance, you'll see a deposit in progress message. The blockchain needs time to confirm the transaction, so be patient. And that's it. Once the confirmations are done, you'll see a deposit successful notification. Your Bitcoin is now chilling in your Binance wallet, ready to trade. Happy trading.